Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you cutting and stitching of this half circle skirt. Before move on to the project, make it sure to hit the subscribe and bell button if you are new to my channel. So let's get into the video. So before proceed to cutting, we must calculate the radius for the skirt, and this is the formula for calculating radius. That is hip round measurement plus 4 inch of loosing plus 1 inch of seam allowance divided by 3.14. Okay, this 3.14 will remain constant for any size. Here I am adding 4 inch of loosing because I am making here double XL size. If you are making smaller size, you can adjust it according to your size. In my measurement, hip round is 43 inch. I am adding 4 inch loosing and 1 inch for the margin. So I will get a 48 inch and divide it by 3.14. I will get a 15.286. So here I will take the round figure 15 inch. So radius for the skirt is 15 inch. Now let's start cutting. Here I have taken 2.5 meters of fabric and I have folded it lengthwise by the center. Its width is 60 inch. Now I will fold it diagonally like this. Now from this corner I will mark the radius 15 inch downwards, and I will mark the same point till the other end and connect all these points and draw a curve like this. Now I'll mark length of the skirt. In my measurement, length is 38 inch. I'll deduct 1.5 inch of belt from it, so I'll get a 36.5 inch, and I'll add 1 inch for the bottom folding and 0.5 inch for the margin, so I'll get a 38 inch. So from this waistline, mark length of 38 inch. Now from this corner, measure this length. It is 53 inch. Now keep the measuring tab on the top corner and mark the same length 53 inch all around like this, and join all these points. Now I will cut out. Here I have these two pieces of half circle. Now I will join one side of these circles. Now place the two pieces right side together like this and make a stitch on one side. Here I have joined one side and other side is open. Now I will cut the belt, and for that measure this waistline like this. In my measurement, it's a 24.5 inch and it's on fold. So length of my belt is 49 inch. Here I have cut out the required length of belt and its width is 4 inch. Here I am using 1.25 inch width of elastic. That's why I have cut out 4 inch width of belt. Now I am going to show you how to cut the correct length of elastic, and for that take the elastic and just place it around your hip round like this and stretch as tight as you can like this, and mark it and cut out. So this is the easiest way to cut the elastic. Now I'll show you how to attach. Now take the belt and the skirt part. Now place it right side together like this and make a stitch all around. Belt is attached. Now I will join the other side of the skirt. Here I am at the stitch and I have all locked it. Now I'll fold the edge of this belt half inch inwards and make a stitch all around. Again fold it like this and make a stitch all around. Here I made the stitch by leaving 1.5 inch of space here for inserting the elastic. Now I will insert the elastic. Here I am using safety pin for inserting the elastic. Now I will join the elastic by placing like this. Now place the edges of the elastic one over the other and stitch it. Make a strong stitch to secure the elastic. Now close this space. Here elastic is attached. Now stretch the elastic to distribute the gathers evenly and make a stitch all around like this. Here belt is attached. And finally I'll finish the bottom of the skirt. Just double fold it and make a stitch all around. Finally my skirt is ready now. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye.